Hello guys and welcome to my TechZone channel, and today's video I'm gonna say you some best sports game. I choose the many like Zara picks dead, and all games I told is very good, and rating of for that also is mind blowing. And please install that all games, and I had uploaded my new this tech news episode 1. All I gave this more information also. Check out it, this classes. So here's my this is my new game series. So without wasting time, so let's start the video. So here's our first game, sports game, Dream Lego Shocker 2020, and this size is 317 MB, and graphics, controls, all are good, and controls this while controlling the player to move. That's awesome, but by defending, passing the ball, and goaling the ball, all little bit tough. But when they will give tutorial that how to do that, it's easy. But first 2 days a little bit means first while for 5 to 10 minutes little bit tough it will be. After 3 4 5 matches if you play, then it will be um, okay, it will be proper, means gaming you can make proper. So well graphics and everything is wonderful. So let's move to our second game, like about sports game. So here's our second sports game, which name is head boxing. And this head boxing game is wonderful. Graphics, see, this is a boxing game. Graphics all are awesome. You will get some power all in that. So size, let's move to our this size is 223 MB. So well graphics did, controls are smooth, and easy to play. For me, it's a awesome game. You must also try this boxing game. It's wonderful. So I love this game. Put in comment section how for you. So me good, but how we need subscribers also, things all. So let's move to our third game. So let's move. So here's our third game, which is based on basketball game. Its name is NBA Live Mobile Basketball. This also controls are good, and you must also try this game. I love this game. Graphics all are ठीक ठाक है. Graphics, it's a little bit cool. You can't say this game graphics are bad. So this graphics are mind blowing, and rating of that in Play Store, rating all will be there of that graphics. That's also good. So controls, how much out of 5, 4.5. Graphics for me 4.7, and other things for me 4.5. So for me, like, love this game, and it's a little bit fast game, no lag. You can, if you have good RAM in your phone, it's mind blowing, it works. So its size is 62 MB. It means graphics are high, and you can see that MB is very low, 62 MB, and Awesome. For you, put in comment section. So let's move to our fourth game. So let's move. So here's our fourth game, which name is Golf King, and size is 86 MB, and it's a wonderful game for golf people, and it's wonderful game. Its graphics are good, characters are good, one versus one match also is good, and you can play with the real people. As you can see, I am playing, and um my opponent game, so more gaming I can't do. So first I will say this clear you that these all gamings are together making. I and my cousins are also there in this game. Game no a video means some gaming all I will make, gaming all me, some this 62 MB and 86 MB, and this game is 86 MB, size is 86 MB, and three games I made, and two my one cousin made it. So don't means how do you have last video Free Fire my cousin brother had played. They asked me that where did you get that Alok, DJ Alok. I told my cousin cousin has what to do me. So don't ask like that. So I will also get in trouble. Not trouble. Means little bit. I will be get little bit. What is this? I think. So don't comment that all. I told the secret. Then last, if you get, don't need. So this is my only gaming. So it's 86 size that I told. So let's move to our last and fifth game. So here's our fifth game, which is Bowling Crew. So this three gaming that my cousins had made. One's name is Gaming K, then someone's name is Guest something he wrote, and so it was 2 MB, means 106 MB. For uploading only many it will be going, so I made like this. Okay, and this game is wonderful. Graphics are very good, not epic also, not excellent also. Good it is, not too good, but playing is wonderful. Or you can play this game also, which I did not give bonus game. It is as Bowling King. It's like that only, but the its graphics are good. Let me show that gameplay. So this is Bowling King, which size is 54 MB, bonus game. So you might like this game. Bonus game. I surprised you. Okay, good graphics are good. I also played before in my sister's iPad, but now it's not working, so I am not playing this game, and I got a little bit bored. This game you will get after 3-4 months you will get bored. So more guarantee I can't give. Why? Because this game will give you boring only. Don't no use. So this was our video. If you like this video, put the thumbs up, and click on the subscribe icon and click on that bell icon. But I'm very sad that tech news I did not get single like. In my first video many did likes, but this time I don't know. I'm going to check. Okay, next video will come at Thursday, and tomorrow's tech news will be coming. So, bye bye, guys. See you in next.